Alright guys, so actually I planned on fishing these soft plastic grubs this evening that I bought from Walmart for 99 cents, but I think I put them in the washing machine, so that's not going to happen. But I do have this little cricket crankbait with me that I haven't tried out yet, so I'm going to go ahead and tie that on and use that this evening. So this is pretty much all I have to fish with me. I only have about an hour anyways, but let's see how many fish, if I can catch a fish out of here, how many I can get in this hour. Alright, so this thing has like an erratic tight wobble. Oh, fish on, guys. Tiny fish. What is up? Alright, first fish on this is not what I expected. It's a little shiner. But let's go ahead and get this hook out and let him go. Oh, fish on. Looks like another little shiner. Yep. Man. Alright, so fish number 2, another little shiner. So if you guys can see, these little nodules are on his head. They're actually called tubercles, and they get this when they're spawning. So this is a male spawning shiner, I believe. Alright, so I was actually expecting some sunfish to come up and hit this lure first. I'm actually pretty surprised that I've got shiners both casts, but let's keep going. There we go. Feels like a sunfish. Alright. Oh! No! Well, there it goes. There we go. Oh my gosh, another one of these. Alright, so I managed to catch yet another one of these things, man. I'm slowly losing faith that it'll catch any sunfish today, but let's get this guy unhooked and let him go. There we go. Feels. Alright guys, finally was able to hook into another sunfish. Pretty redbreast. Get these hooks out and let them go. Alright guys, so I've been fishing for about 20 minutes now, and to be honest with you, I really thought I would have been able to catch more sunfish with this, but I've caught more shiners than sunfish at this point. So I have about 30 more minutes until it's dark outside, so hopefully I can get on some larger sunfish. Let's keep going. Alright guys, so it is now 7 o'clock, which means I got about 15 to 30 minutes max. I'm really there's a lot larger redbreast sunfish over here, and I do not know why they're not hitting this lure. I am quite disappointed, to be honest, so I'm gonna keep casting till it gets dark, but this thing is letting me down today. No good. Oh nice, green sunfish. There we go. Finally. Man, that's what I was looking for, man. Oh man, look how big this thing is, man. This is what I was looking for. Big old redbreast sunfish. I don't have my scale or anything, but this thing is big. So my faith is now restored in this little cricket crankbait. I think I'm gonna end on this note. Man, let's get this guy back in the water. Barely hooked too.